In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Amazon Prime account. So if you're ready to dive into the world of Prime benefits, let's get started. First, you want to launch your preferred web browser and navigate over to the official Prime Video website. In your browser's search bar, type in primevideo.com. Once you're there, take a look at the homepage and you'll notice a prominent button that reads Prime Video, Watch on TV, Mobile, and more. Give that a click. After you've clicked, you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll see an option that says Join Prime. This is the button that begins the process of signing up for Amazon Prime. Clicking Join Prime will take you towards setting up your membership. Now, if you already have an Amazon account, this step is easy. You just need to sign in. But if you're new to Amazon, no worries at all. There's an option right there that says Create your Amazon account. Click on that link and you'll be guided to a form where you need to fill in your basic details like your name, email, or mobile phone number. After you've filled in all the necessary information, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure your password is something secure yet memorable to avoid any future hassles. Once you've got that down, click Sign in to proceed. Now, you're one step closer to enjoying all the perks of being an Amazon Prime member. You'll then land on a new page with another button that says Continue on Amazon.com. Clicking this will direct you back to the Amazon platform, a seamless integration to ensure your Prime membership covers a wide variety of benefits from streaming to shopping. We're almost there. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Start your 30-day free trial. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore everything Amazon Prime has to offer without making a financial decision immediately. And don't worry, you'll receive a notification before your trial is due to end, so you can opt to continue or cancel your membership at that time. Finally, you will be asked to sign into your Amazon account one last time just to confirm your details. After ensuring everything is correctly filled out, you can sit back and relax. You are now ready to start enjoying the incredible benefits that come included with an Amazon Prime membership. From streaming your favorite movies and TV shows to gaining access to exclusive deals, welcome to the Prime family. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide has made it straightforward and easy to set up your Amazon Prime account. Happy streaming!